Hello there guys, it's Joel here, aka Gallucks, and welcome back to my YouTube channel today for a pissed off vlog. I'm just in such a bad mood. I was like, should I pick up the camera? But I planned to film today and I didn't upload last week, so I was like, just gonna have to do it pissed off, Joel. All of this as well, it's like, I'm in a bad mood, but it's just because of like small little things. Again, to do with the house, so it's not like no one's sick, no one's ill. So I understand that these problems are small in the grand scheme of things, but they just put me in a bad mood, you know, I'm just pissed off. But we'll get into that later. There are some positives for this vlog. I wanted to do a house update because I've not done one in a long time, and everyone keeps asking on Instagram Q&A like what's going on with the house and when are we getting the next vlog and stuff like that, so I thought I'd do that. Plus, I'm unable to film any other type of video because my office looks like this. So I haven't been able to film any like reels or TikTok kind of stuff for Instagram, and even shooting in the mirror is hard because I have to make sure that everything is out of the way and there's just no space elsewhere to put everything at the moment. This is mine and Scott's clothes. But the positive to that is that into the bedroom we almost have wardrobes. So we're getting built-in wardrobes into the alcoves either side of the fireplace. So the carpenter's been here for the last 2 weeks doing some other bits downstairs as well, which we'll get to soon. But basically, yeah, we're gonna have big wardrobes. Basically, I don't really know what else to say. So yeah, we'll finally have some storage. We're gonna have clothing rails put either side as well. So me and Scott can start to store our clothes away, and then we've got loads of cupboard space up near the top as well. So we're gonna have 2 big doors at the bottom and then 2 smaller ones at the top. And we're also getting this space next to the fireplace filled in as well with like smaller little cubby holes, which the door will then go over the top of, so the doors will look symmetrical either side of the fireplace. So that is one thing that we're really excited about, and that is why all of our stuff is in here at the moment. But hopefully this should be finished by the end of next week. Then obviously we have to get the decorator in to come and paint it, so we still won't be storing everything in there for a while. I think this is another thing that's like not adding to me being in a good mood lately, because like I'm unable to actually do my work properly, because this is like technically my studio or space I create content in, like most of my content, and it's just like been unavailable to me for the past 2 weeks. It is what it is, you have to do that if you want stuff building in another room. So, but yeah, I'm pretty excited for them to be finished because I think they're gonna look amazing. Then if we come downstairs, we have all this wood here, which I will explain what that's for in a second. So coming into the lounge, as I said, the carpenter's been working in here as well on putting cabinets either side of the fireplace and then shelves above as well, which has been so he started about 2 weeks ago on all of this, like building it from scratch with all the wood here. So we're very excited for just need the doors on these actually, and then they can start to be painted. So they're almost done. And then we've ordered a new TV to go above the fireplace as well, which I'm very excited about. So that should be here soon. So yeah, so this is still on the positive, so that's a good thing. Obviously not having stuff in there means that everything is in our lounge, in our dining room at the moment. So there's a lot of stuff in here right now. This takes me to the next positive slash negative, in that the basement was supposed to be finished by now, so we're supposed to have new carpet, and that wood that was on the stairs is actually for the skirting board down here. Basically, by the way, this is all the carpenter's tools down here as well, so we're just storing them down here. Basically, I don't know the last time you saw this, it was a bathroom, and basically we're turning it into a gaming room, but at the moment, so we've had all the plumbing removed, and we've had the walls painted, and we've had electricity, like plug sockets and lights put in the ceiling and stuff like that. So a lot has happened, but basically they couldn't put the carpet in, like rip out the floor and put the carpet in, until a new skirting board has been put all around the outside. I don't know if you can see, it looks pretty messy right now, but that's just because of the paint on the floor. But yeah, once we have a new skirting board around, then the carpet can be put in, and then we can start to do stuff down here. And also some of the paint, I don't know if you can see, it's kind of blue and it's coming through the white, so the decorator is going to come back and have a look to see what's going on there. but basically that shouldn't really be happening. So that's something else we have to figure out, because the blue bricks just look a bit weird. So again, positives and negatives in that a lot has been done, but it's just not finished. And we can't start moving stuff down here until it's finished. We had a new light fitting fitted in here as well, but one of them is broken. So that's fun. So we need to get the electrician in to talk to them about that. So a little story time about why I'm pissed off, which is fun. Well, there's two reasons. One reason is, if you don't know, I launched my own brand back in April, Arcana. I'm so proud of it, and I'm so excited for what's coming out next. But basically I've been trying to shift everything to a fulfillment center, because basically I've been shipping everything out from the beginning. And although it seemed like the easiest option at the time, as time has gone on, it's become really difficult for me to keep up with all the orders and everything just by myself. So basically, it took me about a month to kind of set up with this company, and everything's going really well, like everything's been great, but basically there's just been a bit of a technical issue in retrieving orders. So that's something that they're working on at the moment, but hopefully that should be resolved, because basically I'm launching some new products towards the end of this month, and everything needs to be ready for that launch, because I just want it to be a really smooth customer experience, and I want everything to go like smoothly. I've said smooth twice, but I think I have a bit of a problem in like relinquishing control, because I'm so in control of everything I do in my life. Because I feel like other people let me down. And that goes to the story today where someone has let me down. If I let someone else do something, I always expect the worst, which is bad, but it's just time and time again. Companies, people, just everyone. And I just feel like if you want something done, you need to do it yourself. And yeah, I'm constantly reminded of this in life. And I know it's negative, and I know it's not true of everyone and everything, but on the most part, yes. Basically, the reason why I'm pissed off today is because we ordered a sofa like 2 months ago, and I've been so excited for the sofa. Our old sofa was way too big for the space, and because we've had the cabinets built in the lounge now, our L-shaped sofa that we had, the corner sofa that we had before, wouldn't even fully, like it couldn't be fit together. We had to unhinge it and have two separate parts of the sofa. It couldn't be attached because it was far too big for the space. And then, after waiting for 2 months for this Noah Home sofa, we finally got an email being like, your Noah Home order will be delivered this week, like please get in touch for a delivery day. So I called the company and we figured out a delivery day, and it was today, Saturday, and it said it'll be there between 12 and 4, and I was like, great. So earlier in the week, I put our old sofa on Facebook Marketplace, because we didn't even have enough room for that sofa anyway, let alone that sofa and another sofa. So I was like, let's sell it on Facebook Marketplace. So we did, and the people who bought it were able to come and collect it. Everything went really smoothly, and I was so excited. So we had like 3 days where we didn't have a sofa. We just sat on chairs like this, or Scott sat on his gaming chair, absolutely fine. Last night I was like literally giddy, like I've not felt this excited for a piece of furniture being delivered ever. I was just so excited. And then today, the doorbell went, and some delivery guys came in with the ottoman of the sofa, like the bit that you put your feet on, like the L-shaped bit of the sofa. And I was like, oh, amazing, like you can put it in there, have a big space for it in here, this empty room. So they put it down, and then what I thought they were going back to their van, I heard like a car door go, and like the gate was closed, and I was like, what's going on? So I like ran outside after them and like knocked on the window of the van. I was like, where's the rest of our sofa? And he showed me his clipboard, and he was like, there's only one piece, like you only ordered one piece. I was like, I did not order one piece. I was like, I spent thousands of pounds on a full sofa, like I didn't just order one bit of the sofa. And he was like, oh, you're gonna have to call like the company, because we don't have anything else on the van for you. So I'm just there like, this is the second time that I've had to run out to a delivery person to be like, where's the rest of our stuff? The first time was actually the appliances online thing when they just walked off and I was like, you need to install our washing machine. Like, I paid for installation. And they're like, no you didn't. And then this time I'm like, where's the rest of my sofa? And they're like, we don't have it. I'm like, for fuck's sake, why is nothing ever straightforward? Why did I receive an email from Noah Home saying your order is ready for delivery? Why would they deliver me one ottoman, one piece? I can't sit on this. I'm so annoyed. Obviously, I know it's not a big deal. I know it's just a sofa, but when you move into a new house and you're living out of boxes for over 2 months and you're finally expecting your new sofa that you paid thousands of pounds for to arrive on a day that you have specified, and then you get rid of your old sofa just to be given a square of fabric. And that's literally, it's nice. I mean, it's nice. I'm just like, where the hell is the rest of the sofa? And why wasn't it explained that it wouldn't all be delivered together? You'd think they'd want to save money on delivery costs, because that was literally 2 guys in a massive van, specified day, like calling me a week before to arrange. Like, where's the rest of it? Anyway, it's fine. It's been a few hours. I had a long shower, got myself ready. Scott's actually, luckily, booked me and him in for massages this afternoon, so I really need it because I'm just so pissed off. Yeah, I'm sorry if I've been whinging and moaning, but it's my YouTube channel and it's my video, so. But yeah, so it's not the end of the world, I know, I'm just like peeved. And also, I called their customer service, I've emailed them, I messaged them on Instagram and I messaged them on Facebook, and no one has replied. Obviously it's a Saturday, so they might reply on Monday. But as a whole like customer journey, this has not been very satisfactory. Karen hat on. But like I was saying about my own brand as well, I don't want any customer of mine to ever receive this kind of like non-transparent form of delivery and only getting one piece and then not getting any reply like very quickly. Like, it's just not how I want to do business, because I've been treated that way by companies for huge things like thousands of pounds. The oven was a big one. We didn't have an oven for like 4 weeks, which was painful basically. This whole thing is, I thought that buying the house was the most stressful part, but decorating it and getting everything delivered and just like making it into a home is even more stressful and just like mind-numbingly painful, trying to deal with all these companies that are just like a mess basically. It's like, it's not difficult. One simple fix on that delivery email from the logistics company for the ottoman, it could have just said, your one piece of your order, your ottoman is ready for delivery, not your order is ready for delivery, because that made me think the whole sofa was coming. I did get an order from Soho Home, but I'll show you a couple of bits that I bought, because that is a good way to kind of like end the video, I guess. So first of all, I got a diffuser from Soho Home themselves. It's sent as patchouli. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but it sounded nice on the website. And then I got some diffuser refills, because I liked the way the Soho Home diffuser looked. But I like the sound of the cowshed diffuser fragrances as well. So we got cozy and we got cozy and we got relax. And then it also got us a hand towel from Soho House because we needed a hand towel. And then I got these vases. So this was a large one, which I thought was really, really cute. To me, it looked like a little milk bottle. So I thought that was cool. And then we got this smaller one as well, which I thought was cute. So I thought these could go either by the fireplace or like on the shelves once they've been painted. We're also waiting for work to be done on the hallway here and the loft itself. Need to get rid of that chandelier. So again, we're just in like kind of limbo still. And I've got a lot of new pieces of clothing to show you, but obviously I haven't got the space to show it you properly at the moment. So yeah, I can't wait till things change and I have a lot more space and I can show you guys what I've been wearing lately and stuff like that. I hope you've enjoyed this video, even though I've been a little negative Nancy. But do let me know if you enjoyed this more kind of like real content of what is actually going through my mind and what is happening right now. Because yeah, this is it. Yeah, so I'm gonna try and enjoy the rest of my Saturday. Don't know where I'm gonna sit. Maybe I'll just perch on the end of that ottoman, or maybe I'll just sit on the floor, maybe in that space there. So, thank you for watching, guys, and I will see you soon. Bye.